sound where it is mute? Oh, there it's mute. That's fine. Yeah. Yeah, we'll start. What is probability? What is probability? What did you learn about probability from the past? So if you go back to your school, probability of A, P of A is nothing but number of favorable outcome divided by what? Total number of outcomes or total outcomes. That is the basic thing we know about probability, and that will be the only thing we will be learning today also. And if you look into the chapter, that's the only thing we are going to learn. Nothing else we will be learning. Now here, what is favorable outcome? Whichever is favored for us, whatever we want, that is called as, or the question, whatever is as per the question, that is the favorable outcome. Now total number of outcome means what are the total possibilities. Now think about you writing the exam. What do you want? You want to pass. That is our favorable outcome. We want to pass the exam is the favorable outcome. So how many favorable outcomes are there? Only one favorable outcome is there. Now divided by total number of outcome, that means either we can pass or fail. That is the total number of outcome. How many are there? Two. One. 1 by 2. Yes. Fine. Now here, usually it is represented as, you remember, I guess, n of A divided by n of S. Here n of S is the total sample space, total number of outcome. N of A is the possible outcomes from that. Now here, that is written over here. P of A is equal to n of A divided by n of S. Now, on some of the key properties. We need to know the properties before doing many questions. Now, what are the key properties of probability? It is between 0 and 1. What is the key property, Rav? It is between what and what? 0 and 1 is the proper probability. Now I am asking you, is this value possible for probability? Negative 0.1, is it possible for probability? It is not possible. Negative 0.1 is not possible at all. Okay. Now, is this value possible? Yes. That means it is between what and what? It is between 0 and 1. So it is possible. Now you tell me, is this value possible? Hey, it is 1.2, which is greater than 1. Is it possible? Yeah, it should be between 0 and 1. So it is also not possible. It is possible. Now the next question is 0.25. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Why? It is between 0 and 1. Now, when probability is equal to 0, we call it as impossible or improbable even. That is means it is not going to happen. Bangalore without traffic. Hey, now Corona time it was there, but other than that, it is not at all possible. Now, P of A is equal to 1. That is a sure event. The class will start at 9 o'clock. Is a sure event. Likewise, I don't remember where was it, in Chennai or Coimbatore. I told that tomorrow class will be. It's a sure event. No matter what, it will start at 8 o'clock. But what in Chennai only it happened. Because of some construction work, the class started at 9 o'clock. Yeah. Now, when it is between 0 and 1, it is called as what? A possible or probable event. That is the usual probability. Probability of us passing the exam is what? It's a possible event. It is not impossible if you ask me. If you study well, it is a possible event. Now we know one more thing. P of A plus P of A complement. That means P of A happening plus P of A not happening is how much? 1. So I am telling you P of crying. P of crying is what? Can I say that? Which is equal to 1 minus P of smiling. Yeah. Or not smiling or whatever. Yes. Not crying. P of crying is equal to 1 minus P of not crying. So whenever we say about something, P of A happening is equal to what? 1 minus P of A not happening. That is the case. This dash is what? This dash is called as complement. Someone raise the hand. Yes. Tell me now. What is the doubt? You can always type. Now, only use the public chat. If something very personal is there, you can use the individual jet. Okay, now simple event. An event that produces only one outcome is called as simple event. Example, getting a 2 while rolling a die. Now I'm asking you some question. Rolling a die. Total, how many possibilities are there? Rolling a die. Die. You know what is a die? Yes. What is a die? Yeah, it has 6 sides and values are 1 to 6. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, what is the possibility of having 2? Or probability of having 2? That is 1 by 6. Total number of outcome is 6. Favorable outcome is how much? 1. That is 1 by 6. Now, general rule for tossing a coin. That means we are talking about for n tosses of coin. That means if a coin is tossed n times, what is the case now? 2 raised to n. If you remember, we have a similar formula like with the same thing 2 raised to n for something else in chapter number 5. Do you remember? 2 raised to n. What was it, people? 2 raised to n. What was it? If someone type, I'll be more than happy. No, don't go back. Think. Don't go back and check. What is the formula for that? It is in chapter 5. Permutation combination. What was this formula? 2 raised to n. With respect to what? Whatever you are doing now itself is the formula. Whatever you are doing now. What is it? What you are doing now, da? You are not answering the question. What is the question? Number of ways of answering a question is what? 2 raised to n. Either you can answer or not answer. You chose to not answer. Yes, Nivedita, right answer. Number of ways of attempting a question when 2 options are there. What is it? 2 raised to n. Then at least one question. What was the formula there? 2 raised to n minus 1. Yes. Next one. Probability of getting heads and tails alternatively. What is the formula for that? 2 divided by 2 raised to n. 2 divided by 2 raised to n is the formula for that. Then tossing a die. What is the formula? Total sample space is what? 6 raised to n. Now I am asking you. A coin is tossed 2 times. That means what is the total sample space? Yes, Karthik, I'll share. Yes. If you want the entire solved material, it is there in the marathon. The same material as I told in the first day. We'll be solving the first entire marathon material, whichever I already solved. It's there in YouTube already. If you want to fast forward, you can watch that also. The material, solved material is there in that marathon's description box itself. From there, you can download it. Okay. Yeah. N of S. What is it? 2 times. A die is thrown 2 times. What is it? 6 square, which is 36. Yeah. Now, deck of cards. How many face cards are there? Just remember. Face cards. King, Queen and Jack are the face cards. How many are there? From heart, there is 1 King, 1 Queen, 1 Jack. Then from diamond, how many are there? 1 King, 1 Queen, 1 Jack. From spade, how many are there? 1 King, 1 Queen, 1 Jack. Then from club, how many are there? How many are there? 1 King, 1 Queen, 1 Jack. So how many face cards are there in total? You tell me. Face cards is equal to 12. Total 12 face cards are there. Now, how many ace are there? Ace. In heart 1 is there. Then diamond 1 is there. Spade 1 is there. Then club 1 is there. So total how many aces are there? 4 aces are there. Total how many kings are there? 4 kings are there. How many queens are there? 4 queens are there. How many jacks are there? 4 jacks are there. Then number cards are also there. How many number cards are there, people? You tell me. How many number cards are there? Number cards 36, not 30 plus, 36 number cards are there. Number cards. Make a note. Number cards. Sometimes they will directly ask that time you will not lose time. Anyway, you will be answering the question, but we need to save time. So number cards is how much now? 36. Now the next question for you. What is the probability of getting a number card from a set of cards. Total how many cards are there? Total cards. Total cards is 52. 52. Now, probability of getting a number card from 52 cards. You tell me. Favorable outcome is how much now? 36. So, 36 divided by what? 52. Answer is 36 by 52 is the probability of getting a number card from a deck of cards. That is the answer. Next one. Get me the answer. We solved this in our classroom also we solved it. In a pack of playing cards with 2 jokers, how many jokers are there? 2 jokers extra are there. That means in a pack of playing cards, there are total n of, yes, total sample space is how much? 52 plus 2. That is how much? 54. Now you tell me what is n of A. We need to know the probability of getting king of spades. How many king are there in spades? How many king are there in spades? Only one king is there. So that is n of A is 1. Now you tell me what is P of A or probability of A. That is what are n of A divided by n of S. That is equal to 1 by 54. Samjaya? Purinjida? Yes, people. Are you getting it? Are you getting deja vus? That is the question. If you attended the class, you will get deja vus. Now, I think if you attended the class, you will remember this for sure. Me drawing the joker, you will remember if you attended the class. Yes. Yeah. Now, if x be the sum of 2 numbers obtained when 2 dice are thrown simultaneously, then P of x greater than or equal to 7. That means the sum should be greater than or equal to 7. I think, do you remember this thing now, everyone? The arc thing. I will draw an arc. Then the sum is 2. Then maximum sum is how much now when 2 dice are thrown. If I add both the numbers, what is the maximum sum I can get? People, you should react. Type. How much is it? 6 plus 6 is how much? 12. That means once I throw the first die, I will get 6. Once I throw the second die, I'll get 6. 6 plus 6 is how much? 12. So the maximum I can get is 12. So minimum is how much now? First time I throw, I got 1. Second time I throw, I got 1 again. That's why it is 2 over here. So if you remember or have watched this class, the next number is 3. Next number is 4. Next number is 5. Next number is 6. Then 7 is there. 8 is there. 9 is there, 10 is there, 11 is there. Any sum more than 12 is possible? No. Maximum sum we can get is 12. Any sum less than 2 is possible? No. The maximum sum we can get is how much? Sorry, minimum sum we can get is how much? 2. Now, the interesting part of this chapter. Now, 12 will happen how many times? Sum 12 will happen how many times? When it is like 6, 6 only, it will happen. That means it is 1. 1, yes. Then 2. Sum 2 will happen how many times in our sample space? If you look into it, when it is 1, 1. That is how much? 1. The maximum time the sum happening is 7. 7 is the maximum number of time the sum happening. That will happen 6 times. Please look at the figure. Now I will say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So just remember this. You can solve all the question. Now the question over here is probability of x greater than or equal to 7. That means sum is greater than or equal to 7. We should consider all of this. That means what is the probability of 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 divided by what is the total sample space while rolling a die for 2 times? N of s is how much? N of s is equal to 6 square. That is how much? 36. So denominator is how much? 36. How much is the answer, people? Yeah. So 6 plus 5, 11, 15, 18, 20, 21. So 21 divided by 36, which is equal to how much? 7 by 12. Now, people, if you don't know how to use factorization, what you will do? Just take calculator, type it and click equal to and check which of the option is giving the same decimal value. That is the method. Purinjada? Yeah. Yes. Anyone is having doubt, please tell me. Yeah. Tomorrow we will be discussing theoretical distribution. Okay. What chapter? Theoretical distribution. Tomorrow we will be discussing. Tomorrow timing, there is a small change. The timing will be from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. 1 o'clock to 1:45 afternoon. Okay. Since Saturday is there. Yes. And a new batch, new ICU batch is starting. So 2 o'clock onwards their time is there. So tomorrow 1 to 1:45 is the timing for our revision class. Okay. Yes. 1 o'clock to 1:45. Whoever missed, I'll send the. So regular class will be there. Tanish. 1 till 1 o'clock is your normal timing, right? Yes. So after the 1 o'clock only I'll start. So in the time we have economics 2. Hey, why is it 2? Tomorrow we have class till 2. Okay. Then what if we do morning class at 6:30 to 7:30? Will that be fine? No. Double okay. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir. Oh, too many opinions are coming. I'll tell. After this, I'll tell. Okay. So tomorrow, 8:30 till 8:45, her class is there. Then 9 to 10, I'm not available tomorrow. Let me think, people. Yeah, we'll think it later. Yes, let's not go there today itself. Now, 3 coins are tossed together. The probability of getting exactly 2 heads. Now, n of s is how much? The total sample space. 2 raised to n is the normal formula. That is 2 raised to 3 here. That means 8. Exactly 2 heads means. So we should think about when is exactly 2 heads is happening. Either it will be like head, tail. We are having exactly 2 heads is the question. Sorry. Then, or it should be head, tail, head. Or it should be tail, head. That means how many times exactly 2 heads are happening? 3 times. So n of a is how much? 3. Then tell me what is p of a. That is 3/8. Option B is your answer. Easier? Yes. Now next question. 2 dice are tossed. What is the probability that the total is divisible by 3 or 4? Now people, do you remember this formula? P of A union B. Union means what? Or at least. Whenever it is like you at least or either or. Then what else? No, that much is more than enough. You will use what? P of A plus P of B minus what? Minus what? P of A intersection B. Am I correct? Do you remember that question? Do you remember that formula? I know you remember, but if you revise it, you will get to know better. That is the thing. Now here people, 1 or is there. What is it? Probability that the number is divisible by 3 or 4. So what is it? P of divisible by 3 or divisible by 4. That can be written as P of divisible by 3 plus P of divisible by what? 4 minus. What is the number divisible by 3 and 4? If you look into it, 3 and 4, we will take the product of 3 and 4. That is how much? That 12. P of divisible by 12. Now people, you tell me. You remember our drawing? I'll take the drawing for you so that it will be easy for you to understand. I'll just take the same thing. Will that be fine? Yes, anyway you wrote it right. Yes, I'll take that. Now if you look here, what are the numbers which are divisible by 3? What are the numbers which are divisible by 3? You should tell me, people. 3 is there, then 6 is there, then 9 is there, then 12 is there. Now, first one, this one will be what? That is 2 plus 2 plus 5 plus 4 plus 1. How much is it? 2 plus 5 plus 4 plus 1, that is 12. 12 by how much? 12 by 36 plus. Why 36? Because total sample space is 36. Now tell me, what are the numbers which are divisible by 4? 4, 8 and 12 again. That means, what is the case now? 3 plus how much? 3 plus 5 plus 1. That is how much? 9 by 36. Minus, how many numbers are divisible by 12? That is 1. That is 1 by 36. How much is the answer? 20 by 36. Is that the answer? People, option A is the answer. 20 by 36. Clear? Yes. Kandipa. Yes. Done. Everyone, is it clear? Yes. Now, next one. We are again going to the same concept. If, and people, I am reminding you, 26th and 27th, like is Saturday and Sunday, right? 26th and 27th, online, live online also will be there. Whoever is in Bangalore, you can attend it. I'm now fixing the place. I'll be in Bangalore that time. So, marathon will be there in Bangalore, 26th, 27th, full day. If something is pending, next day also we will take. If something is pending, next one more day we will take. We'll make sure that we will cover around 30-35 hours in 3 days. Okay. Yes. We'll keep to the maximum. How much you want, you take it. Yes. Okay. So full day means I'll be starting from the morning. Mostly at 8 o'clock I'll be starting. I'll be going till 6 or 7. Every day it will be like continuous. I'll give you 1 hour break in total. That means 7, then again, I think it will go on forever. Sometimes it will go more than 7 the same day. If you have regular class, you can attend that. You will get the recording also. It's up to you. Okay. And completely up to you. Towards the end also, we will do another marathon also. Again. That time I'll try to do it in Chennai or Coimbatore also. So everywhere I'll be there. Okay. Fine. Whoever can attend, accordingly we'll do. Okay. Yeah. And last day also marathon will be there. I'll be doing question again. Yes. So after the result, many students came up to me and told that last day marathon was, yeah, is it? But I'll try to, yes, yeah. Anyway, Chennai will be coming soon to Chennai also. Yeah, that time we'll do the revision there in Chennai itself. Yeah. Now, if a card is drawn at random from a pack of 52 cards, what is the chance of getting a club or a king? Now, it is like club or a king. So, P of club union what the king. Yes, correct. Club union king. Now you tell me what is it? P of club plus P of king minus P of king intersection club. What do you mean by that? That is the king of club. King of club. Now you tell me how many club are there? What is the probability of getting a club from a deck of cards? Total 12 club. Club means what? A deck itself. Yeah. What is it? What is club? King. The heart is there. Then diamond is there. Then spade is there. Then club is there. That is 12 or 13. 13. Yes, 13 divided by 52 plus how many kings are there? Total 4 kings are there divided by 52 minus how many kings are there in spade? Only 1 king is there in spade. We will write 1 by 52 which is equal to how much? 16 by 52. Answer is option D. Okay. Yes. Next one. We are going to the formula for 2 events. What is the formula? P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Now, are you confident with this formula? Yes, whenever or is there, you can always use this formula. But in the future, I'll be teaching you a method where we will not at all use this formula in the nearby future within like 10 minutes. Now, what is union means? Or. Either or, at least everything we will use what? Union. Intersection means what? And. Whenever it is like and. Now people, whenever I say a number divisible by 3 and 4, what you will do? You will take 3 into 4 as much as 12. So divisible by 12 we will take. Whenever I say a number divisible by 5 and 3, what you will do? You will take multiplication of 3 and 5, that is how much? 15. So number divisible by 15 we will take. Okay. Now, for mutually exclusive events, what happens? A intersection B will be how much? 0. P of A intersection B is how much? Intersection will be 0. Then the probability formula will become what? P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of A intersection B. But P of A intersection is how much here? 0. So that's why we are not writing that. Then exhaustive events. What happens in exhaustive events? Their union is equal to 1. Their union includes all the possible outcomes. For example, I'll say getting a number while rolling a die. Will I get a number? Yes. All are numbers. So 6 by 6, that is how much? Union will be how much? 1. That is exhaustive event. Then there is something called as mutually exclusive and exhaustive. Same thing at the same time. That means exclusive and exhaustive at the same time. Now people, union will be equal to 1. That is the rule for exhaustive events. Then exclusive events, what happen? Mutually exclusive event, their intersection will be equal to 0. So what will happen to our probability equation? The P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus what? P of A intersection B. What will happen to this formula? This union will be how much? 1, which is equal to P of A plus P of B. That is, this also will become what? 0. Yes. So it is the final equation of exclusive and exhaustive events. They can directly ask a question. What is valid for mutually exclusive and exhaustive events? This formula is valid. You should know that. Now in some time independent event will come to the picture. Before that, conditional probability, or also we will check probability of A given B. That means I pass the exam, probability of I'll pass the exam given that I studied. That means for what is the formula of P of A given B is equal to P of A intersection B divided by P of B. Keep a note. Important. Yeah. People, are you able to recollect? That is the only question I want to ask. If you didn't attend this class, I mean in our face-to-face class, there is no use sitting in this revision class, I'm telling you. But sometimes you will be able to relate it. That's good. But try to watch it, then rewatch our revision class. That is the best way. Are you able to relate that? Okay. If you are able to relate, I am more than happy. Otherwise, it will be difficult. Then everyone has the scanner I sent in the group. Yes, everyone has the scanner. If you don't have the scanner, please tell me. I will forward it. By the end of the class, please remind me also. I will send the scanner again. There are many questions. Solve each and every question. We will pass this time, no matter what. And don't skip any topic. I'm telling you, if you skip, the students who skip are those students who fail in examination, in quantitative aptitude. I don't know about other paper. I know, but I'm not speaking about it. Now here, in cons, if you skip a chapter, that means you are losing out your chance. Yes, if you know everything, you have a chance to score 100 marks. Yeah. When you skip a 10 marks chapter, you only have a chance to score 90 marks. So always work on it. Yes, I'll send it. Please remind me by the end of the class. I'll resend the entire thing. Now, conditional probability of A given B is what? P of A intersection B divided by P of B. Whichever is given, we will write in the denominator. Now, P of B by A. That means intersection of A and B divided by what is given? A is given. So, we are writing divided by P of A. Now, look people, we will go again. Try to do this. One card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards. The probability that it is a king or a queen. Now people, tell me, what are they asking? P of K union queen. Okay. Now first one is P of king plus P of queen minus P of king intersection queen. Is there any card like that which is a king and a queen? No, there is nothing like that. That means the intersection is 0. What type of event is that when K intersection Q is equal to 0? What type of event is that, people? That is called as a mutually exclusive event. Now, fine. Perfect. Now people, now tell me, what is the probability of getting a king from a pack of 52 cards? 4 by 52. Plus, what is the probability of getting a queen from a pack of 52 cards? 4 by 52. So how much is it? 8 by 52. Now you tell me the answer. That is how much? 2 by 30 now? Yes. If you don't know to factorize, what you will do? You will take your calculator and type 8 by 52. You will get a decimal value and you will check which of the option is equal to that decimal value. That's your option. Never think that I don't know LCM and all and factorization and all. Never ever. Okay, we have the calculator. Next one. Look at this question. A number is divisible by a number is selected from first 30 natural number. How many natural number? First 30. That means n of s is how much? Only 30 people are there. Okay, then what is the probability it would be divisible by 3 or 8? Easy only. First, what is divisible by 3? I am just writing it directly. You should understand that. It is divisible by 3 union 8, which is equal to P of divisible by 3. You should understand what is 3. P of divisible by 3. Probability of divisible by 3 plus P of divisible by 8 minus P of what is divisible by 3 and 8. We will take 3 into 8. 3 into 8 is how much? 24. So P of divisible by 24. Now tell me people, what is divisible? How many numbers are divisible by 3 in between 1 and 30? Yep. S2, S2. How many are there? 10 are there. 10 by 36. Correct? Plus, how many are divisible by 8? 8 is there. 16 is there. 24 is there. That means 3 by 36. Minus, divisible by 24 in between 1 and 30 is how much? Only one number is there. That number is called as 24. It is by 1 by 36. Now tell me how much is the answer. 12 by 36. Give me a 10 decimal. How much is the answer? Is it 12 by 36? Yes. 0.33 or divisible by 3 is 10 by 30. Why are we writing 36? We are not rolling any die. It is what? 30. I only wrote 30 is the denominator. Yes, divisible by 12 by 30. How much is it? Sorry for that. Yeah. How much is it? 0.4. Okay. Yes. People, are you listening? Are you just watching movie? No? Yeah. This one I think everyone know. What is compound probability theorem? What is compound probability theorem? Whichever is our conditional probability equation, that is our compound probability theorem. P of A given B is equal to P of A intersection B divided by P of B. Now check which is following that. Here everything is B by A. So it should be like Pi. Same thing only. It should be like P of B by A is equal to what? P of A intersection B divided by P of A. If you cross multiply P of A into P of B by A or B given A is equal to how much? P of A intersection B. Which option is our right answer? Option A is your right answer. Now we are going to independent event. What do you know about independent event? One of the basic thing we know about independent event is P of A intersection B is what? P of A into P of B. This is the basic thing we know about independent event. Whenever I say it is an independent event, every time we should know that A intersection B is what? P of A into P of B. That is the basic thing you should know. Next one, people. Next one is probability of occurrence of only A. What is the trick I told you that day to remember this only A? P of only A. We know the general formula of P of A union B. What is it now? P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. That is the general formula. Whenever I say P of only A means we will only write the terms containing A. What are the terms now? P of A is there minus P of A intersection B. Easy. Then whenever I write P of only B, what you will say back? P of B minus P of A intersection B. Done. Done. Yes, Sriram, I'll do it. One day we will do one revision of only theory questions. First we will start with, anyways, chapter 13 we didn't revise, right? Yes. We'll revise chapter 13 again. That time I'll give you more tips. And one more thing, we will do one theory marathon also. Separately, we will do one. I'll put a separate video of theory marathon also. I'll inform you also when it will be the timing. It will be off, like not will be, it will not be a normal timing like after the class and all. One day full it will be there. I'll do a theory marathon for you, like how to answer theory question. A lot of questions you'll solve. Yes. What am I aiming at the end of the day? If you go there, you should know everything. You should be able to see that I'm able to crack minimum 60, because 60 easy questions are there. You should be able to crack that 60 question. Yes. Yeah. Every exam I'll do, Sriram. Yes. Yeah. This time only, I mean, last time also I did. I mean, May attempt, it was there. Marathon was there. Yes. Night also I stayed back and did it. Yeah. 12, 1, 3 o'clock till I was taking. So don't worry about that side. I'll put my effort. October, I will not be there for a few days. After October, I'll be continuously be there. Okay. I'm getting married in October. That's why. Yeah. Probability of only B. See this. This is the formula for that. Now, people, we need to know one more equation for only A. Only A can be written as P of A minus B. That is equal to P of A intersection B complement. Why B complement? B is not part of it. That's why we are writing it like this. B complement. We can also write it like this. Then B minus A can be written as what? A P of B intersection A complement. We know another equation also, P of B minus P of A intersection B. This is formulas only. I'm telling you, sometimes they will directly ask formulas, but we will solve the questions based on this with using an entirely different method. Now, equally likely event. When probability of A is equal to probability of B is equal to a constant value, it is called as what? Equally likely events. Now, probability of only one event occurring. This and all equation is not that important. We will solve it in a completely different manner. Okay. Yes. Now, we'll start. Get me the answer. A and B are two independent events, and P of A union B is equal to 2 by 5. P of B is equal to 1 by 3. Find P of A. How to do this? Since they are independent event, what happens? Since they are independent event, P of A intersection B is equal to what? P of A into P of B. Correct? Now, what do you know about P of A union B? P of A union B is equal to, we know a formula, P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Now, people, A union B is how much? P of A union B, 2 by 5 plus, equal to, P of A is how much? We need to find P of A. Keep that in mind. P of B is how much? 1 by 3 minus A intersection B is what? That is P of A into P of B. So can I write it as minus P of A divided by what? P of B is 1 by 3. So can I write by 3? P of A into 1 by 3. That is also fine. Yeah, for more clarity. Now I am writing 2 by 5 minus 1 by 3 is equal to P of A minus P of A by 3. Am I correct? Am I correct? Online? Am I correct? People, yes. Now, find the value of left hand side, everyone. Everyone find the value of left hand side. Please find the value of left hand side. 2 by 5. Use calculator and find. Don't do anything else. Just use calculator. 2 by 5 minus 1 by 3. Get me the value. Calculator. Calculator. Yes. Okay. Yes. 2 by 5 minus, that is 1 by 15. Okay, fine. I'll just write it. 1 by 15. Is it 1 by 15? Yes, it is 1 by 15. LCM is 15. So it will be 1 by 15, which is equal to, if you are using just decimal value, write decimal value only. 1 by 15 is how much? 0.66 is something you will get. If you want to write that, that is also fine. Now, what is common in both of these terms? P of A is common. What is remaining? 1 minus 1 by 3. Now, 1 by 15 is equal to P of A into 1 minus 1 by 3 is how much? 3 by 2 by 3. Now, you will get the value of P of A. That is equal to how much? P of A is equal to, cancel things, you will get it as 1 by 10, option D. That is one method. Or you will use what? Just calculator to solve the things using decimal value. Anything is fine. It's up to you. Go back and watch our recording. You will get to know. Another method is also there. What is the other method? Option hitting is also available. Whatever you feel at that time, if you feel like not writing it, don't do that. Study, do something with your knowledge, it is possible. Okay. Now you tell me, what is it? What is it? Everyone should type. Each and everyone should type. What is it? Yes, when P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B, what is that event? That event is called as independent event. Yes, we can also take LCM, right? Yes, Nivedita, up to you. Whatever is in your mind, do that at that moment. Okay, yes. One more thing, people. I know that many people have told me also, because one of the common thing many people when they talk to me from first standard onwards, I didn't like maths. Second standard, I used to like till fourth standard. Then fifth standard onwards, I never liked maths, because after fifth standard, now complications came into the picture. I'll tell you, people, it was not your problem if you ask me. Whoever taught you, they have never taught you right. They should have taught you in a different manner. Yes, different people require different types of way. That's why we are using different method. You use this. Up to you. Whichever is up to you, you use that. You will get the same answer. Yesterday, one person also asked me, you're like, yeah, in college there is a different method. It is confusing. Yeah, you can follow the college method itself, because there, if you write the entire thing only, you will get the marks. Yes. Yeah, if you are studying this in the statistics in college, study the college method. At the end, same answer will be there. Nothing is going to change. Now, solve this form. Yeah. Yes. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. Which one? Which one, Sweta? You have not seen fully. Not seen. Okay, I'll just check. Oh, okay. Fine. Yes. Fine. I'll just check. Fine. Do it, people. We are almost at the end. We are almost going to end the topic. Then we will have random variable. Random variable I will discuss along with theoretical distribution. Okay. Why? Because both are connected. Yeah. Okay. And people, if you had texted me something also, if I missed something, please remind me here also. I'll just check. Now we are going to use the logic, our logical method. We are not going to use the question, our formula method. Now people, look here. Probability of getting a girl getting a scholarship is 0.6. The same probability of boy getting a scholarship is 0.8. So can I write probability of girl getting the scholarship is equal to 0.6? Then probability of girl not getting the scholarship is how much? 1 minus 0.6. You remember crying and not crying? Similarly, 1 minus 0.6 is how much? 0.4. Now, probability of boy getting a scholarship is how much? 0.8. Then probability of boy not getting the scholarship is how much now? 0.2. Now, the question is, find the probability that at least one of the category gets a scholarship. At least one of the category get a scholarship means what? If I am there and my girlfriend is there, sorry, fiance is there, then one category, I got scholarship, she didn't get scholarship. Case 1. Case 2 is she got scholarship, I didn't get scholarship. At least one of us is getting, right? Now, can I ask you another thing? She is getting a scholarship, I am also getting a scholarship. Is that possible? Yes, two people can get scholarship at the same time. So what are the possibilities? Probability of girl getting scholarship into probability of boy not getting scholarship. Or means plus. Next, or case 2 is what? Probability of boy getting scholarship multiplied with probability of girl not getting scholarship. Or probability of boy getting scholarship and probability of girl is getting scholarship. Just put the value, use m plus and get me the answer, people. What are you going to do? 0.6 into 0.2 m plus, then 0.8 into 0.4 m plus, then 0.6 into 0.8 m plus. Finally click MRC, how much you are getting? The 0.92 options. पुरिंजिता समझाया अर्थ आयता? Yes, people, मनसिलायो. Next one, do this. I think you can do it. What is, let A and B be two events, P of A is equal to 2 by 3, P of B is equal to 1 by 3, P of A intersection B is also given, that is how much, 1 by 12. They are asking for P of A by B by A. P of B by A means P of B given A is what up? P of A intersection B divided by P of what is given over here? A is given, so that is the formula, which is equal to P of A intersection B is how much now? 1 by 12 divided by how much? Divided by P of A. P of A is how much now? 2 by 3. That is the given thing. So when it is given like this, we need to change the symbol. We need to take the reciprocal. It will become what? 1 by 12 into 3 by 2. How much is the answer? 1 by 8. How much is the answer? 1 by 8. Is it? Is that the answer? Or use calculator? Yes, 1 by 8 is the answer. Use the calculator. That is more than easy. If you are having a problem, first find 1 by 12. Then click save that value, or find 2 by 3. Accordingly save that value. Then type 1 by 12 divided by MRC. Anything is fine. You will get 1 by 8. Option C is your answer. Everyone got the same answer? I think someone knows for different answer. No. Everyone got the same answer. Tomorrow 6. We'll have a 30 minutes break. Let me check. I'll update you. Now, we are going to talk about the truth and lie. Yes, we'll check. A speaks 75% of the truth. What happens to A? 75% truth he will speak. B speaks 60% of the truth. Nice. So, P of A is what? 0.75. Now, you tell me what is the probability of A not telling a truth is how much now? 0.25. Am I correct? 1 minus 0.75. Now you talk about B. P of B telling truth is how much now? 0.6. P of B complement, that means he is lying or not telling truth, is how much now? 1 minus 0.6, that is how much? 0.4. Now read the question carefully. In what percentage are both of them likely to contradict each other in narrating the same question? That means if I am telling truth, you should lie. If you are telling truth, I should lie. Can both of us say truth at the same time? No. Can both of them lie at the same time? No. So what is the possibilities? P of A into P of B complement. That means when I say truth, B is telling lie. Or plus P of B is telling truth, I am lying. A complement. Get me the answer, people. That is 0.75 into 0.4 M plus, then 0.6 into 0.25 M plus. Finally click MRC. How much? S2. How much is the answer now? 0.45. Option B is your answer. Perfect. Next one. Ram is known to hit a target 2 out of 3 shots, whereas Sham is known to hit a target how much now? 5 out of 11 shot. What is the probability that the target would be hit if both of them try? Both of them are trying and the target would be hit. We won't be solving the next question because it is of the same type. This only we will be solving. Then we are going to the leap year based question. Ram is known to hit a target 2 out of 3 times. That means P of Ram hit is how much now? That is equal to 2 by 3. Then P of Ram not hit is how much now? That is equal to 1 minus 2 by 3. 1 minus 2 by 3 is how much? 1 by 3. Now, P of Sham hitting. Yes. If I didn't put the dash, you will read it differently. Sham hitting is how much? 5 by 11. Then P of Sham not hitting is how much now? 6 by 11. Yes. Now the final question. The probability that the target would be hit if Ram try and Sham try. Both of them are trying. Then what is the probability? I'll tell you one by one. First one, probability. First case is Sham is hitting and Ram is not hitting. Am I correct? Or second case is P of Ram is hitting, then and Sham not hitting. Sham not hitting. Now, can they hit at the same time? Yes, Sham is hitting. Or means plus or P of Sham hit and Ram hit. So these are the cases. Now one by one we will write. What is probability of Sham hitting? 5 by 11 into Ram not hitting is how much da? 1 by 3 plus Ram hitting is how much da? 2 by 3. Sham not hitting is how much da? 6 by 11 plus what is the next case? Both are hitting, that is 2 by 3 into 5 by 11. You should tell me denominator is 33. So type 33. Why? 11 into 3 is 33. Everywhere the LCM or the denominator is 33. So write whatever is remaining. Now what is whatever is remaining? The 5 is remaining. 5 into 1 is 5 plus 2 into 6 is 12 plus 2 into 10 is how much? 2 into 5 is how much? 10. So what is remaining at the end of the day? That is how much? The 27 divided by 33. How much is the answer? 27. Common value is 3. So what is remaining? 9 by 11 is remaining. If you don't know how to factorize, what you will do? You will type the value of 27 by 33 on your calculator. You will get a decimal point and you will check which of the option is giving you the answer. Answer is what? Option E, 9 by 11. Anyone is having doubt? Everyone is clear? Yes. Are you attending the class for first day, right? This one. Are you getting it? Very good. Yes. Yeah. Sample space for leap year and non-leap year. Leap year, how many days are there? Many people will have doubt, and I'm thinking sometimes this time also one question will be there, because after a long time, or I think for the first time, they asked a question from leap year and non-leap year in May 2025. So the chances of question for this attempt also is very high. So be ready for it. Okay, people? Purinjada? Ready? Samjaya? Yes. Arthaita? Yes. Be ready. Yeah. Now, non-leap year has how many days? 365 days. Leap year has how many days? 366 days. And almost all the time, the question will be like this. Not every time. The question from this will be like this only. They will ask you. So usually if we take, there can be 52 Sundays, 52 Mondays, 52 Saturdays, 52 Sundays. Now in leap year, 2 days will be remaining. Then in non-leap year, 1 extra day will be there. Now the question will be like probability of getting 53 Sundays. That will be the question. That means 52 is already there. So we are not considering it at all. Okay, 1 extra day we will think about non-leap year. So that's why the sample space is like this: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So what is the sample space for non-leap year? 7. Now the question will be, what is the probability of 53 Sundays? Answer is what? 1 by 7. What is the probability of 53 Mondays? Answer will be what? 1 by 7. What is the probability of 53 Tuesdays? 1 by 7. What is the probability of 53 Tuesdays or 53 Wednesdays? Yes, 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7. Is there any intersection? No. Answer is how much? 2 by 7. Purinjada? Yes. Are you able to relate? Are you remembering things? Yes, there I would have wrote like this and all, 365 divided by 7. Then I would have said a dialogue. Yeah, go back to your first standard and do the division. That is 5. Then 35 will come. Then what is remaining? 15 will come. Then I will say into 2 is how much? 14. Then one reminder is there. That one reminder is what? Okay, either can it be a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or a Saturday. That was the thing. Yes. Now, coming to leap year. How many days are there? 366 days. Now, how many extra days are there? 2 extra days are there. Now, when we do 366 divided by 7, it will be like 52 will be there, 364 will be there, then 2 remainder is there. That two remaining days either can be a Sunday or a Monday. That means Sunday, Monday. That means, is Sunday, Friday possible? No, why not? Because after Sunday, it should be Monday. It cannot be Friday. We are telling, no, today is Friday. No matter what, we cannot say that. After Sunday, it is Monday. Then Monday, Tuesday. Then Tuesday, Wednesday. Wednesday, Thursday. Or Thursday, Friday. Or Friday, Saturday. Or Saturday, Sunday. These are the possibilities for that extra 2 days. Am I correct? Now, the question is, what is P of probability of getting 53 Sundays in a leap year? 53 Sundays in a leap year. 53 Sundays in a leap year. So Sunday, Monday can be a possibility, or Saturday, Sunday can be a possibility. So 2 by 7 will be your answer. Now tell me, what is the probability of getting 53 Wednesdays in a leap year? 2 by 7. Now I'll make the question interesting. What is the probability of getting 53 Sundays or 53 Mondays in a leap year? So probability of Sunday plus probability of Monday minus probability of Sunday intersection Monday. Now you tell me, probability of Sunday is how much now? 2 by 7. I mean talking about leap year, okay. Then probability of Monday is how much now? 2 by 7. Now you tell me, is there any intersection between Sunday and Monday? Yes, Sunday, Monday is there. So how much is it now? 1 by 7. We should reduce. Answer is how much? 3 by 7. I think everyone who studied that time also, they would have made the same mistake whatever you made now also. Yes. Remember? Yes, 3 by 7. Get me the answer. Probability of 53 Sundays is how much in a leap year? Leap year, 53 Mondays in a leap year is how much? 2 by 7. Next one. What is the probability of 53 Sundays or 53 Wednesdays in a non-leap year? 53 Sundays in a non-leap year is 1 by 7 plus 53 Wednesdays in a non-leap year is 1 by 7. Answer is how much? 2 by 7. Next question. Probability of getting 53 Fridays or 53 Saturdays in a leap year. Now tell me now. 53 Fridays, 2 by 7. 53 Saturdays, 2 by 7. Minus any intersection between Friday and Saturday? Yes. 1 by 7. Answer is how much? 3 by 7. Very easy. That's all for the day. Random variable we will discuss along with theoretical distribution. Doubt irundal sollu. Yes, Haley, if doubt is there, please tell me. We will wind up the recording. So after this, whatever we are talking will not be part of the recording, which I'll send you the link of the recording. Okay. Yes.